Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see few more questions of 1 mark. This is the part 7 and previously we have uploaded 6 parts, and the links of all these 6 parts are provided in the description box. You can watch all these 6 parts so that you will get an idea that which type of questions are being asked for 1 mark and how to deal with such questions. I also request you to download the study material from the description box. So friends, let us see the first question of today's episode. So friends, the first question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 7x plus 5, write the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now here the given polynomial is 2x square plus 7x plus 5, and you have to find the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So first we will find the sum of the roots. So sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b upon a. So b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square, and therefore it will be minus 7 by 2. Now we will find the product of the roots, that is alpha beta, and alpha beta, that is equal to c upon a. C is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x square, so it will be 5 by 2. And now what we have to find? We have to find alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So alpha plus beta plus alpha beta, that is equal to sum of the roots, that is minus 7 by 2 plus alpha beta, that is 5 by 2. So 2 will be the LCM, and therefore it will be minus 7 plus 5, that is minus 2 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, which is equal to minus 1, and therefore alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to minus 1. Now let us see the next question. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 12 meter more than its breadth is 60 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. Now friends, it is said that the half of the perimeter, remember this, it is said that the half of the perimeter is 60 meter. It is not given that perimeter is 60 meter. But what happens when we read the question, we forget that it is said it is a half of the perimeter and we take that perimeter as 60 meter. Sometimes such mistakes take place, and therefore be careful that it is said that half of the perimeter, that is equal to 60 meter. But we know that perimeter is equal to perimeter of rectangle, that is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So half of the perimeter is 60 meter, so the perimeter will be double, so it will be 120, which is equal to 2 into length is given as 12 meter more than the breadth. So if breadth we take as x, then the length will be x plus 12. Okay, so it will be what? So length is x plus 12, x plus 12 plus breadth we are taking as x, close the bracket. So this will be 2 ones are 2, 2 60s are 120, and therefore 60 is equal to 2 multiplied by x plus x, that is 2x, so into bracket it will be 2x plus 12. Here 2 will not be there because we have cancelled 2 with this 120, so it will be 2x plus 12. Take 12 to the other side, so it will be minus 12, so 60 minus 12, that will be equal to 48, which is equal to 2x. So this will be 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are 8, and therefore x is equal to 24. We have got the value of x as 24. Highlight this important step. Now we have to find the length and breadth. correct? Find the dimensions of the garden. So length will be equal to what? X plus 12. So 24 plus 12. So it will be 24 plus 12, and so that will be equal to 36 centimeter. And the breadth is x itself, and therefore breadth is equal to 24 centimeter. So length is equal to 36 centimeter and breadth is equal to 24 centimeter. Now move to the next question. The question is that in the figure PQ is 24 centimeter. This is the PQ and this is 24 centimeter. And angle PAR, this angle is given as 90 degrees, and PA is equal to 6 centimeter. PA, this is the PA, this is given at 6 centimeter, and AR, this is the AR, this is given as 8 centimeter, and we have to find the angle QPR. This angle we have to find. Angle QPR. This angle we have to find. Now here friends, we know that PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. And also QR, this is 26 centimeter, and we have to find that this angle is how much. So first we will take this triangle, because we know that this triangle is a right angle triangle. So triangle PAR in triangle PAR, that is equal to what? Square of the hypotenuse, that is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, because this is a right angle triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So it will be PR square, which is equal to AP square plus AR square. So PR square is equal to AP square, that is 36 plus AR square, that is 8 square, that will be 8 square will be 64, and that is equal to 100, and therefore taking square root of both the sides you will get PR, that is equal to 10 centimeter. So highlight this first important step, that you have got PR. This PR is 10 centimeter. Now here we can do that. Take PR square is equal to, find PR square, that is equal to what? 100. Then we will take QP square, that is PQ square, that is equal to 24 square, and 24 square is equal to 576, and QR square. So this QR square, which is equal to 26 square, and that is equal to 676. Now if you add these two, you get the sum as 676, and therefore if this is first, this is second, and this is third, from first, second and third we can say that QR square, which is equal to PR square plus PQ square, and therefore by the converse of basic proportionality, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, we can say that angle P is equal to 90 degree, and therefore angle QPR, that is equal to 90 degree by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now let us move to the next question. So the question is on the screen, that angle P is equal to angle RTS. This is the angle P, and this angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal, it is given. Show that angle PQR, this angle is equal to angle RST, this angle. We have to show that these two angles are equal. Now here we will take these two triangles, triangle PQR in triangle PQR and triangle RST in these two triangles. This is the triangle and this is the triangle. We know that this angle T is equal to angle P. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. This is given. And this angle R is in this triangle as well as this triangle. So angle R is equal to angle R because both are the common. So angle R is equal to angle R because both are common. And therefore here this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is common to both the triangles. Therefore by AA criteria we can say that these two triangles are similar and therefore triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS and therefore we can say that angle S is equal to angle Q. Therefore angle, this is by AA criteria, and therefore angle R, angle PQR, that is equal to angle RST by the corresponding parts of similar triangle, corresponding angles of similar triangle. And so by this way we can show that these two angles are equal. Now let us move to the next question. Here it is given that tan A is equal to 5 by 12. Find the value of sine A plus cos A into sec A. We have to find the value of sine A plus cos A into sec A. So here sine A plus cos A, close the bracket, into sec A. Correct? Now multiply by sec A inside the bracket. So you will get sine A into sec A plus cos A into sec A. Cos A into sec A. And now here sec A is what? 1 upon cos A. So this will be sine A upon cos A plus this is 1 upon cos A. So cos A and cos A will get cancelled and you will get 1. But other way we can say that these two are the reciprocals of each other and therefore the product of the reciprocals is always 1. So this is equal to 1. But sine A plus cos A is what? It is tan A. So it will be tan A plus 1. And tan A is given as 5 by 12. So it will be 5 by 12 plus 1, and so which is equal to 12 will be the LCM. So here we will multiply by 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 5, that will be 17 upon 12, and therefore sine A plus cos A into sec A, that is equal to 17 by 12. Now move to the next question. The question is that what is the limit of the model class of the following distribution? Here the distribution is given. In the first column it is given as age in years 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and so on. And here the number of patients are given as 16, 13, 6, 11, 27 and 18, and you have to write the lower limit. It is not what is the limit, it should be what is the lower limit of the model class of the following distribution. To find the model class, we check the frequency. This is the frequency. What is the highest frequency here? Highest frequency is 27, and the class corresponding to the highest frequency is called as the model class. This is 40 to 50 will be the model class. 40 to 50 will be the model class. It means that your mode will lie from 40 to 50. So it is called as the model class. So here we see the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 27 and its model class and the corresponding class is 40 to 50, and therefore model class that is equal to 40 to 50. And this is the model class, and what is asked, what is the lower limit of the model class? So what is the lower limit? Therefore the lower limit, that is equal to 40. If it is asked what is the upper limit, then you will say that upper limit is equal to 50. Now move to the next question. The next question is that in a triangle ABC is a right angled at B, what is the value of sine A plus C? Now see, it is given that ABC is a right angled triangle, right angled at B. So here ABC is a right angled triangle, right angled at B, and we have to find the value of sine A plus C. Here this angle is 90 degree. It means that these two angles, their sum will be also 90 degree, because in triangle ABC the sum of the three angles is always 180 degree, and therefore when this one angle is 90 degree, the sum of the remaining angles will be 90 degree. So here we will write it as, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property. But angle B is 90 degree, so angle A plus angle C, which is equal to, this is 90 degree. If you shift 90 to other side, that will be 180 minus 90, and that will be 90 degree. So angle A plus C, that is equal to 90 degree. We have to find sine of AC, sine of A plus C. But A plus C is what? It is 90 degree. So it is sine of 90 degree. And sine of 90, that is equal to 1, and so which is equal to 1, and so you get the answer as sine of A plus C, that is equal to 1. Highlight your answer. Now move to the next question. If root 3 sine theta is equal to cos theta, find the value of 3 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta upon 3 cos theta plus 2. Now here we have given that root 3 sine of theta, that is equal to cos of theta, correct? And therefore taking square of both the side, we will get 3 sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. We have taken the square of both the sides. Now here everything is in terms of cos, so we will convert this sine square theta also in cos theta. So this will be 3 into sine square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. Now multiply by 3 inside the bracket, so 3 minus 3 cos square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. So here friends, it will be take 3 cos square theta to other side, so it will become plus 3 cos square theta. So 3 cos square theta plus cos square theta will be 4 cos square theta. So 4 cos square theta, that is equal to 3, and take 4 to this side, so it will be cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4. And since cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4, taking square root of both the side, you will get cos theta, that is equal to root of 3 by 2, because square root of 4 will be 2 and square root of 3 will be root 3. Now what we have to prove? That we will solve here. This we have to find the value. So it is 3 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta upon 3 cos theta plus 2. Now here we see that cos theta is a common factor, so take it out as a common factor. Cos theta inside the bracket, it will be 3 cos theta plus cos theta taken as a common factor, so plus 2 upon in the denominator 3 cos of theta plus 2. So this will get cancelled and you will get which is equal to cos of theta. But we have got the value of cos of theta as root 3 by 2, so which is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, now here we have got the required value as root 3 by 2. Now friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.